Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, and I am here on the Not Too Shabby channel today and the Fresh and Renewed with Teresa channel today to bring you a real sweet card. I went ahead and colored up my gnome and my signpost where my sentiment is going to be, but and I colored the tops of my strawberries, but I wanted to color these two strawberries with you to show you how I color my strawberries to get that real pretty light center that they have, and what colors I'm using. So I am using R37, R35, and then way down, which you wouldn't think it blends, but it does look okay, I'm using R14. So let's get in and color these two strawberries, and then I will take a little break, cut them out, and get my other pieces cut and put our card together today. So to get these strawberries colored up and a good center on them, I just kind of color in a kind of a, I don't know what you want to call, an oval with a point at the bottom, kind of like an egg, an upside down egg shape. So, and then go in, that was the R37, and then I'm going to go in with the R35 and go around, and then the R14 right in the middle to get that real light color that strawberries have right in the middle of them. Okay, so let's do the next one. Again, I am going to go right around, kind of, this one's going to kind of be in a heart shape because of that top piece, the green piece peeking down. So we got a little heart shape going on in the middle there. So there's the R37, and then we have the R35, and we're not going to do a whole lot of that one, just enough to kind of blend the edge of that. And then we have the R14 right in the middle. There we go. So there is our two strawberries, and I am going to go trim these out with their matching dies and get my pieces ready for my card, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and we are going to put this card together. I have come up with the most perfect ribbon that I want to use. So we are going to start with that first. So I'm going to place this ribbon right about there. It already had some adhesive on the back of it. And then we'll see in a minute if we're going to put a bow over there. Okay, so we're going to put our scallop a little off center, well off center and off the side. And I chose the piece of paper. This is from the So Refreshing paper pad that was in the April box of the month. I will have all the products linked down below. I do believe that Jamie has these separately, and so I will link this down below separately, and I will link the box as well. The box this month, if you have not seen it, make sure you check out the videos with the hashtag N2S strawberry goodness. I will put that on the screen right here. Make sure you check that out because let me tell you, the design team did an awesome job with these products. Okay, I'm going to set that aside for a minute. So I am going to, let's see, should I put him down flat? Then I'm going to put my and I think I'm not going to use a bow because I think the bow will interfere with what's going on here. And then I'm going to just put my strawberries. I'm going to pop I'm going to put everything down flat and pop my strawberries up right there. So, and then I'm going to, so I'm not going to use the bow since I think it'll interfere with the card, with the sign that's going to be right there. So let's put our gnome right here. And I think he turned out so cute. So there's our gnome. And I'm going to pull out my stamping tool that still has my other pieces on it. Let me get those off real quick. I'll put this right here. All right, so I have, my choices are I'll always pick you, fresh strawberries, or always be sweet. And I think I'm going to use always be sweet. So there we go. And I think I'm going to scooch it over just a tiny bit because I don't think it was centered. There we go. Right, and I am going to use this ink pad that I have. It is a VersaFine Claire Tulip Red ink pad. So we'll have some red goodness going on here. Let's do it one more time, see if we can get a little bit darker. There we go. All right. So we're going to put this right here, although I need to lift up my gnome just a tiny bit. There we go. Now wait a minute. Need to lift up my gnome a whole lot more than a tiny bit. Because I want it tucked under, but not where... Okay, so we're going to use some liquid glue and see if we, let's do this. I like that. It's going to be kind of crooked. And then we will put our strawberries popped up. Strawberry shortcake is my absolute favorite dessert. And I sure wish I had some today. Coloring up these strawberries made me want some. I have strawberry number 1 popped up. And strawberry number 2 popped up. Always be sweet. Okay, let's trim off this side. And I am going to put it on a green card base to kind of pick up the green and the, sorry, my tape gun squeaks terribly. Okay, so we're gonna put it on this green card base. And I usually put the adhesive on the panel. All right, so there we have it. Always be sweet with our sweet little gnome. And isn't he adorable? What a sweet card. And let me tell you, this collection, oh, I know it's going to go fast. It released on Friday, on the 1st, and I know it's going to go fast. This, I don't think I ever said this. This stamp is not in the April box of the month. This stamp is the Stamp&Die of the month. So that will also be linked down below. So if you do not subscribe to the Stamp&Die of the month, but you do subscribe to the box of the month, you're definitely going to want to pick up the Stamp&Die. Because it goes so well with these papers and the and you know, everything else in here. If you I mean, you could even color the other color palette in the box of the month is a very light pink, and you could even color him up to go with that. I colored him up so that he would go with the yellow and the flowers. That's why I colored him yellow and blue, because I knew I wanted this piece of paper. So anyhow, there's my card for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.